Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go click that subscribe button and turn your post notification bells so you know when I post a new video. So today is like day, I don't even know, of quarantine, and I'm just coming out with content for you guys. So today we're going to be making some homemade acai bowls. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And yeah, I've been eating this for my lunch lately because I'm trying so hard not to eat anything too crazy, although I eat whatever's in sight because I have nothing else to do. But I'm gonna show you guys how to eat something that's somewhat healthy. So pretty much this is the acai packets.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
These are the acai packets. I have some granola I'm gonna top it with, some pineapple I'm gonna cut up, and I'm gonna put oat milk in it. If you guys don't drink oat milk, this is it. Oat milk is 10 times better than almond milk, and it's super healthy for you. I have some peanut butter I'm gonna top it with, and I have a banana. I have some Nutella, and I have some chia seeds we're gonna put on it. So yeah, so pretty much I'm gonna show you guys how to make an acai bowl. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned. Okay guys, so the first step is taking out one of your acai packets. Pretty much you should leave it at room temperature, but don't let it get too soft. I think I kind of left mine out a little too long. But you don't want it to be too watery because you want the acai mix to be a little thick in the bowl. So I'm just going to cut this. And then we're going to blend it. Next, we're going to add some almond milk. We're only going to add a little bit of almond milk because, like I said, we don't want it to be too liquidy. We want the consistency to be a little bit thick. And then I'm just going to cut the banana in half and just add half of the banana. And then the other half we're gonna save to just top it off with. So it came out a little bit liquidy, but that's okay. So I left it out for too long at room temperature. So that's why I said make sure you guys don't leave it out too long because you don't want it to be soupy. You want it to still be a little bit hard so it crushes and the consistency is thicker. So yeah, that's pretty much the base of the acai bowl. It's super simple. You could find the acai packets at Whole Foods. I got mine at a Whole Foods. It's kind of harder to find it at like your local grocery store, like ShopRite, stuff like that. But I did find it in an organic supermarket. So yeah, pretty much we're just going to finish topping off our acai bowl, and it is totally up to you. It's your preference what you would like on it. If you want strawberries, you guys could add strawberries. Usually I would add strawberries, but today I don't have strawberries, so we're going to substitute it with some pineapple. So we'll cut up the pineapple and everything, and I'm going to show you guys how to assemble it. Okay guys, so last but not least, we're going to top it off with some peanut butter and some Nutella. This probably works best if it's a little bit like loose, not so like thick and globby. So what I usually do is I'll take like a scoop of peanut butter, or like half a scoop of peanut butter, and then like a half a scoop of Nutella, warm it up in the microwave for like literally maybe 5 seconds. And then I'll take a spoon and then I'll just drizzle the top of it. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do right now. Okay guys, so it looks like this. It's not super liquidy by the way either. It's just more of like a looser texture. So we're just gonna drizzle it all over. Guys, so this is pretty much how you make a homemade, oh my god, it keeps trying to spill out the bowl. Anyway, this is how you make a homemade acai bowl. As you can see, it's pretty easy and super simple. So all you pretty much need is to find the packets at your Whole Foods or whatever organic supermarket you guys have. And yeah, and you get a few toppings that you guys want on top, and that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you like to see these cooking little videos from me. And if you're new here, go subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification bells so you know when I post a new video. And yeah, thanks for watching guys.